Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. So today in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a logo using Adobe Photoshop of any version. So further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to File and then select New. Here make sure your values as same as mine. Hit OK. Now select the paint bucket tool. And select some sort of whitish gray color. Hit OK. Now select the rectangle tool. Here make sure the fill color is black and the stroke is transparent. Now hold the Shift key and draw a square. Now without holding Shift key, draw a rectangle. Draw a narrow vertical rectangle as well. After that, press or command Ctrl+R, which will appear the scales on the sides. Now drag a line from the scale as we need it for alignment. Drag another line downward. Now drag a line from the side scale. Now select the top layer and press or command Ctrl+T. Now select the rectangle 2 layer and press Ctrl+T. Now apply the same method to the rectangle 1 layer. Here you see the vertical sides of score are longer, so we will select the rectangle 2 layer again and press Ctrl+T. Now we don't need the scale lines, so drag it all lines back. Now double-click the rectangle 1 layer and select the gradient glow and apply the gradient. After that, select the bevel and emboss and keep the depth value 70 and keep remaining values as same. Now double click the rectangle 2 layer and select the gradient glow and apply the gradient. After that, select the bevel and emboss and keep the depth value 70 and keep remaining values as same. Now double click the top layer and select the gradient glow and apply the gradient. After that, select the bevel and emboss and keep the depth value 70 and keep remaining values as same. Hold Ctrl key on keyboard and select the 3 layers. Right click on it and select Merge Shapes. Now press or Command Ctrl plus T and align it to the place you want. Create a new empty layer. Select Gradient tool and do the same as I'm doing it right now. After that, go to Filter and then Blur and Gaussian Blur. Make sure your radius value is 10. And reduce the opacity somehow. After doing this, apply gradient as I'm applying on it right now. Now add a solid color the way I'm doing it. Change the blending mode to soft light. Reduce the opacity until it looks great. Now we will add some text to it. Change the blending mode to overlay. Now select Line tool. Hold Shift key and draw a line. Make sure the height value of line is 2. Drag it to the text center. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the line. And bring it down a bit using arrow keys on keyboard. Hold Ctrl key and select both layers and merge shapes. Change the blending mode to soft light. So here we did it. Give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more Photoshop related videos. Peace.